1. Barley strengthens the stomach and expels wind and phlegm. 2. Relieves heat pain, thirst and blood pressure. 3. It is beneficial in cough, asthmatic pain, tuberculosis. 4. If it is soaked in water and peeled and made into milk pudding, it would make the body fat. 5. Barley sattu, powder of barley, is a very useful food in summer. Sattu not only removes heat from the body but is also full of nutrients. 6. Sattu, powder of barley, is diuretic, causing burning and urgency of urination, eliminates blood hardness, acidity and mucus. 7. Barley is very effective in removing fever and shortening the period. That's why barley is beneficial in treating fever and inflammation. 8. The outer husk of barley has always been used by local healers to improve digestion and bring new strength. These are called pearl bars. 9. One of the easiest recipes for the same tasks is that by sipping barley water throughout the day, the digestive system is improved and the patient gets new strength. However, it is forbidden to take any other food during this time. The same remedy is still recommended for gastric reformation today and is becoming more and more popular. Here's how to make barley water. Boil a quarter cup of barley in 2.5 liters of plain water. When 1.25 liters of water is left, take it off the heat, cool it and strain it well. Barley water is ready. How to use barley water? Keep sipping this water throughout the day. Within 2 days the digestive system becomes powerful. Due to the soothing effect of this water, irritation in the digestive organs is removed. The lacy material present in barley water provides protection to the tissues of the digestive system. As soon as the digestive system is correct, then the food is also digested efficiently and becomes part of the body.